Hello everyone, today in this video we'll be solving the question which is two sum. This is the question which comes under the topic of arrays. So let's get started with it. So let's read the question and understand what the question is. Okay, so the question name is two sum. Okay, so what can you understand from the question name is that there will be two numbers. Okay, there will be an array here, and inside that array there will be two numbers. Suppose that this number and this number. So if we select these two numbers and add them up, we will get some number here. Okay, and if that number is equal to target they have given, okay, in the question, if that number equal to target, then these two are the selected numbers. Like that we have to select every two number from the array and check if that sum is equal to target or not. Okay, so let's read the question. Given an array nums, what is given? First nums is given and a target is given. Nums is that array, okay, which I was talking about, and a target is also given. What we have to return is indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. If these are the two numbers which get add up, what are the indices values? This we have to return. Okay, take these two indices values, put them in a separate array and then return. Okay, if you see an example here, in this example an array is given of 4 elements, 2, 7, 11 and 15. Okay, now what is our target? 9. So which two numbers if you add up from the array will give you 9? Obviously 2 and 7. So what are the index values of this one? 0 and 1, right? So what you will be returning is 0 will be putting in an array, another the next element is 1, you will be putting in an array and you will be returning this one. If you consider an example here the target is given as 6. So which two numbers if you add up you will get as 6? That is 2 and 4. The indices value as 1 and 2, therefore you will be returning 1, 2. Okay, and yeah, in the same way the target is 6, 3, 3 is there, so you will be returning 0, 1. So what will be our approach is that if I tell you the means the basic approach, we can start from here, right? You can see 2. Okay, then we will be iterating. If this is I here, my pointer is I, and we will be checking if the next number's sum and this one's sum is 9 or not. If it is 9, we will be returning. In case suppose the target is 22. Okay, so 2 will be keeping I here and will be keeping j here. J will be running from these three locations. Okay, so first j will be 7. So what is 7 plus 2? 9. That is not equal to 22. The next one 11 plus 2. The next one 15 plus 2. None of them are 22. So what we will be doing next? What will be moving on to 7. We'll be adding up with 11 and checking, and adding up with 15 and checking. 7 plus 11 we won't get, 7 plus 15 we will get 22. Whenever we get, return the index values which is present here. Okay, that is the basic approach. We have to optimize it as well. Okay, so to optimize the approach, what we will be doing is we'll be considering a map here. So let me explain you what a map is. Okay, so here I have taken the same array. Okay, the same array is here as well as the target is here. Okay, so why we are taking a map here? Okay, now I'll be telling you the approach. We are starting from here. First 2 is compared, and what we will be doing is, if 2 is present here, what is the next number which I need in the array to get the target? 22. See, 2 is present here. What is the next number which I need from this array so that I get the answer as 22? I need the next number 20. Okay, so is 20 present in the map or not? Initially map is empty, 20 is not present. If 20 is not present, that means the answer is not there, right? As of now I have not encountered 20, so I don't know, maybe 20 will be present, but in map it is not there, so I can skip 2 for now. Okay, so what I will do, whenever I don't get any answer like 20 I did not get in the map, so what I will do, I'll add it. I'll not add 20, I'll add 2. Okay, so things will get much more clear when we move forward with this question. So for now just listen what I'm saying. Okay, so I have added 2 here, and which is the index value? Index value is 0. So with 2, what is associated with that? It is associated as 0. Okay, after I have done that, then I will move to the next one. Which is the next one? It is 7. So what number I need to get the target? 22. With 7 I need 15, right? Because 7 plus 15 is 22. Then I am checking 15 is present in the map or not. It is not present. So what I should do if it's not present? I'll add 7 to the map and add the index value as well. So I'll be having here 7, and here I'll be having index value as 1. Okay, moving on, we have the next value 11. So I'll be checking what is the next number needed. It's 11 plus 11. So is 11 present here? No, it's not present. So what is my task? I have to add 11, right? If I add 11 here, what is the index value? 2. Okay, next I'll be checking here 15. If what number I need to get the target? 22. from 15 I need 7, right, to get the target 22. Next I will be checking is 7 present in the value or not here. 7 is present. If it's present, what am I supposed to do? Just return this value. Okay, take this value. What is this value? 1. What I will do with 1? And I will take this value as well. This is the index value of 15. So 3 is the index value of 15. 1 is the index value of 7. So what is 7 plus 15? It is 22. So that's what my answer is. This is the answer. 3 and 1 I have to return the index values, right? So that's what our approach will be. We'll be using a map here. So what was our first step? We have to compare if 2 is present in the map or not. So let's see the code part here. In the code part, in the lead code, you will have to submit in the this form. You will be given the class solution here and public int. See, you are returning a value which is of integer, means array, right? So the return type will be of array of integer, and function name is toSum, and 2 arguments it's taking, int numbers and int target. Now here you are initializing a result array. In result array you will be storing the 2 pairs which you find here, right? So that is initialized with the means size as 2, and after that you will be creating a map here. This is the syntax for map. From integer to integer you are pointing, right? 2 values are present in the map. It's mapping from integer to integer. Therefore you will write here integer comma integer, and the map's name is map with small m, okay, and is equal to new hash map integer, then you have to make a bracket here, okay. This is the syntax for initializing a map. So after you have written till this point of line, what will be created is this one. This map will be created without any values here, okay. So map is initialized here. We have the numbers array, we have the target here. Now what is our task? Now we will move on to the for loop. While we are moving to the for loop, we are checking from here, right? What we did, 2 we will be checking if 2 minus 22, okay, target minus nums of I. Target minus nums of I is 20 if 20 is present here or not. Target minus nums of I, okay. Map dot contains key, we are checking if it contains key. Which key? Target minus nums of I. Target minus nums of I, if it's present in the key, then we will be doing this thing. If it's not present, we will be adding numbers of I and I. What is numbers of I? What is I? Numbers of I is nothing but 2, right? Numbers of I is 2 and I value is 0. So we are adding 2 and 0 here, okay. Like that we will do for 7 as well and 11 as well. But when we reach 15, what happens? Let's see. When we reach 15, the value of numbers of I is 15. The target is 22. 22 minus 15 is 7. So we are checking if it contains 7 or not. The key, the map contains 7. It's true. So we will come to this part of the code. In this part of the code, we are initializing result of 1 as I. So what is result of 1? Result is an array which has 2 integers, I mean the 2 spaces here. So in the first location, means the location with index 1, we are writing I. So I is nothing but the index value in which I am currently present. So which index value I am currently present? This one, right? So it is 3. So in the result array, I will be adding 3 here, and after that what I will be adding is the map.get target minus numbers of I. Target minus numbers of I is 22 minus 15, which is 7. So I am getting which is the value, which is the index value of 7 from the map. From the map, as you can see, the index value of 7 is 1. So I am getting 1 here as the return value that is stored in result of 0. So result of 1 I have stored here 3, which is the index value of 15, and in result of 0 I will be storing 1, which is the index value of 7. So this is the final answer, and I will be returning result, and after the return statement the program will be ending, okay. So this is your final answer. To wrap up what we did, the very easy steps. What we have to do is, we have been given a target array and we have been given with a num array, okay. What we are doing, we are checking target, we are checking the first element. If 2 is present, what next value I need to get the target 22? I need 20. Then I am checking if 20 is present here or not. If it's not present, I will be adding 2 here, not 20. I will be adding 2 as well as the index value of 2. Like that I am doing for 7 as well, 11 as well. When I reach 15, what happens is, target I need 7. So what I will do, I will search 7 if it's present or not. If it is present, means I have got the pair for 15. 7 is present here, means I have got the pair for 15, and the index value of 7 will be taken first, and the second value which will be taken is the next pair's value, which is 3. I will be taking these 2 values, putting in an array here, okay. Then that array I will be returning, okay. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.